Hello, friends and family. We're on day 6 of lockdown, Spain national emergency. And the news is not so great today. It's been a long day. I was hoping to get to this earlier, but a lot of additional meetings and different things going on here. So we're up to 18,000 cases of coronavirus. We were at, I think, around 11,000 on Sunday. So up to 830 deaths, and the situation in Madrid is the worst, but in a couple other cities as well, it's really reached a crisis level. The Madrid is supposedly, there's someone dying from coronavirus every 16 minutes now. They've just, the health ministry has just offered contracts to medical students, retired people in medical fields, those who just have their first stage of license and have not yet completed all their training. They're going to try to offer a contract to 50,000 additional sanitary workers to try to combat the crisis here. So yeah, it's we're not where Italy is, but we're not too far behind either. I understand that Italy just passed up the number of folks that died in China, and I think Italy's up to 41,000 cases now. So pretty rough day in terms of the virus. I'm going to make this one short today. Because it's late and I'm tired, and you probably don't need to have another long video. I'm sure there's a lot going on in the USA already. But some of the debates that we've heard today is whether you should use cash, because the virus can be passed on cash, so they're asking all the stores, grocery stores and everything, to use just credit cards. And yeah, it's just strange environment. On the one hand, we're just living in our houses here, trapped, so to speak, but really feeling like everything's pretty normal other than that. Moving everything to online, having lots of meetings through Zoom, which is a fantastic resource. Had a team meeting here with our team, with some recently arrived new team members, which is crazy. They got in 3 hours before the lockdown. So, and yeah, we are having meetings with our company back home, also by Zoom, and possibly considering moving all of our church meetings to Zoom, as maybe even our Sunday worship, because I guess you can also record on there and then put it online. So those are some of the things that we're dealing with logistic-wise. But yeah, there's just these intense ups and downs moments, you know. I really hope and pray that the U.S. doesn't come to this, but from what I'm seeing in the news, that some states are not even doing any kind of serious social isolation, and there's some big cities that appear to be taking a little bit more lax view of how this is going to develop. So I know there's economic implications in all of this, so it's a hard line to figure out. You know, obviously you don't want to shut down a world economy, but on the other hand, you want to save lives and not overwhelm a sanitary system, a public health system. So yeah, that's about it for today. I'll hopefully have a little more cheerful, energetic report tomorrow. Okay, thanks for your prayers. We're praying for you too.